interest vested in animal exploitation, we should not and we cannot miss any opportunity to speak on behalf of animals. We must create more opportunity, organize more conferences, publish more books, write more articles, do more interviews, organize larger and louder protests, stuff like that. And this brings me to my main point. I would like you to think about organizing the next student for critical animal studies in your college or university. If not this year, then the next. We need to make sure that the revolution in animal studies, which is happening right now in the universities, where we can study other animals and our relationship with them in sociology department, history, geography, law, political science, philosophy. Like, I forget a lot of those, some other things. But we need to make sure that all this academic work on other animals doesn't forget that we are talking about living, breathing, and feeling creatures. We are slaughtering... Sorry. Oh yes, no, it's all right. This is in French, but you know what that means. The Genesis part. So we are slaughtering more than 60 billion domesticated animals per year, excluding the animal we hunt and fish. We shed more blood of domesticated animals every year than there were human beings killed in all the wars in human history. In fact, as my friend Frédéric Côté-Boudreau counted, it takes only 2 days and a half. That is the length of our conference, 2 days and a half to kill as many domesticated animals, cows, sheep, chickens, that we killed humans in all the war in history, which would be around 400 to 500 million. My number is a bit higher than yours. So since the 1960s, the human population doubled and the population of wild animals diminished by 1/3 in 50 years. Many scientists are talking about the 6th great extinction crisis in the history of our planet. The ecological crisis, climate change, rainforest destruction, desertification, water and air pollution, resource scarcity are all interconnected problems, and at the middle of them all, we find animal farming. Farming is a prime contributor of all these massive problems. Oh, sorry. Have you seen this picture before? It's a satellite picture of the feedlot in Texas. Here, have a closer look. This is from closer, and from satellite, and again further. This is not blood, it's algae. There are some other picture with green algae. But when we are focusing on the massive scale